for any tribe. We talk say any kind country woman wey you want marry am for any tribe. No say the nyama dey way you must nyama. You must prepare, say you must chop the nyama because you know if be for that way, be for that way, you know can prepare that nyama for you. Countryman or countrywoman, we go talk palabandamba. Yes, we go talk to Baba too. That long letter way, fake food don't write time, and then we go talk to way come up for that side for court where they call us say task. Countryman, we'll start with this one. Now the palaba mazembe them, the mazembe them way. They cause malabanguru ngwete. They cause problem. Trouble day. You sleep for hours, you go work, you come, you say you live for peace. Why someone they look you, say me you go work finish, you come, may collect them. Now what did it happen so no countryman, countrywoman. Able body people them. Where them say they fit knock skin, like you where they go knock your skin. But the way say me you knock skin finish, may they come collect them. Easy no. John Yama way. You know, struggle with them. Alain, Michel Ongolo, where they 51 years. They don't accuse him, say Kwara François Ngulunze. And then, he killed François Ngulunze, so he take all 18 them. He run. Neither, they don't put hand for ye. Una know that palabra tell una for mimnoman. That may be the same for that side, for some market for Kwabang. We follow that Ongolo. The man 51 years, that made 62 years. So the remain within a big person for you for almost 10 years and plus. Now they come out to the remain. He don't take now Francois. He take now Mami Francois. They talk for you. Say, wow, I like you. Since I lost my master, I do this so. He enter. That day we he quarrel Mami Francois. We knock that remain kill him. They come out for me, Mami, oh. Lovey matter. They make Mami, lovey matter. He make another woman, his sense go down. Now so he start knock him. Bam. Now so he quarrel that me, countryman, countrywoman. They don't put hand for ye. He be run with the reme all kako them. They don't put hand for ye. He don't go now explain how the team pass point by point. Say he pass so, I be there na so, he go na the way. Now so if you want go so before I do one for that way, now so the thing happen, countryman, countrywoman. What would you ask yourself? You go tell man say you like it. When no man palava like you like it. When the thing way there for your mind, I say I want kwarai, I take all your property them, I chop them with them. Hey, massa. The thing don't pass all man for that side for mimnoman. Now everybody talk say, wanna look at the kind of people the way, wanna they mingle with them. Because man no know, if you go up so, we na so to a tete, we na some killing person, and then he will do it with you now. If you talk say 1, 2, 3, you want to say he don't finish with you one time. So we must look out. Because that will happen, Mama Francois, if it happen for all man. It not only happen for ye, but if it happen for all man. Countryman, countrywoman. Countryman, countrywoman. We will continue with the news for you na the one for that side for Cham. Una know say landslide will happen for day. For that falaise. It therefore way it wrong. It not easy. But now so, any motor you want go pass on that side, it is tight. Because the road is not easy. So people for that side for Chang, they the young, they suffer. Some people go them, they go tight for point where they send away to countryman, countrywoman, they send at this excavator them for go draw them, move on for inside the tighten way, they don't tight. So now so it day. People for that side for Chang, they get inside difficulties. Hopefully, they go do everything. For say me they fix them, may work for way, he go work fine, may more all man know how it be day. Countryman, countrywoman, we go for that side for Bacham, for West Region. What happen for Bacham? Now we would want to understand. They say the traditional chief them for that side for Bacham, they don't call their name them for some act for torture. That means say traditional ruler, they don't surely torture some people them. So image they come out. We see image them. If they say they knock people them. If they talk something, you know some people argue. When you argue, they domo you very badly. If they say they don't domo some people them because the image what they say now wound they for people they are skin, it shows say they don't domo them. Now, est-ce que Ngomna will do something for saying the correct that kind of attitude? We will not understand that case of 2005, 2006 for John Contem. John Contem, he will be now he will be na brother-in-law for Fondoga Gonye, the number 3. And then, how it happened? For Sika politics, Fondo, he make up in-law, Ikwara. He turn na trouble turn, he go reach for trouble, for play with trouble, they enter, na so small, they go move the parliamentary immunity. After they move am, they take him go for Ngata, and then for do it too, he don't go under 6 feet. Countryman, countrywoman. Another story for we here, na palaba Doti they all place. Or now which time they go move on, I go move on. I say me the senior people they go move on. I say Buruno they for move on. Mano no, ya. If when I see picture them, when people they publish them, media they don't do report for senior mayor them. Say Oga mayor, now una work this, una get for do and so una move that dirty because they bring sick, mosquito bites, now malaria that. Una get self arata they enter for they can't enter hearts. Now other sick than that, skin diseases them. People go to sick plenty for sickady matter. Oga them for mayor, for council, una try do something, may the matter is solved more. Because people they zung. As I tell you, some people they really zung. It wrong. They think Trump pass castle. You want go this side, na dirty. You want go the other side, na dirty. You want go this side, na dirty. You all people they all for me do dirty. Bow dodi. Let's go jum. Bow dodi. Let's go jum. Now so it is. Countryman, countrywoman. Another story. Come on for outside. Una no say we just tell una matter for Mama Francois in Nova State. Another matter na say for that side for Yaoundé, insecurity it don't pass place. I say it don't pass place. Even though na young girl where they kidnap am, na piki where they go rape am. Even though na piki where they rape am, na some papa where he sleep with the even though that one, another one go be where na the one way go do this and that. One go just come out enter Yaoundé way no Yaoundé. They don't take it, turn the head, carry and go for different side. They return and say they don't already rape it, they don't do so. That begin, you know where again. That's so it don't be, that's so it don't be. So na so the thing day for that side for Yaoundé. If I say me oga quarter them for security for that side, may they put energy, flop energy for fee catch all that people the way they do that kind of evil thing them for that side for Yaoundé. Because insecurity, it don't budget for Yaoundé side day, countryman. You know they say insecurity, you know the all side too. But now so the musician where they sing that song, it come on out for Yaoundé. Yaoundé, the one don't do one. The one don't do one. For Kate Kwaba, for Kate Oja, for Kate Mimboman, for Kate BMC, for Kate Obli, for Kate this and that. For you know, only they talk that all place the bra. Hey, hey, it pass that song. Hey, yeah. Black steel, say that. Countryman, countrywoman. Now come on now. We go for that side for Côte d'Ivoire. Some matter happen for Côte d'Ivoire side. A name Naweti Julina Jolie. Julina Jolie na some actor. That means na some woman where they act film. He don't kwara. That means say he don't tell me. He dey under 6 feet now. What happen? That is the question. Grandma enter for the matter. Lewa dede. They eat one cook. The way it happen, gas explode. As the gas bottle explode, fire a burning for 10 degrees. That means say it first skin, so it burn his skin seriously. They carry go for hospital. They turn for them for hospital. Turn. They try doctor. They try their best. But I think say the fire be don burn, so they don't touch it's a vital organism for inside. Jolina Julie, survive. Kwara for Warapita after he received that plenty burn them for that gas way burning. I remember some cases, some boys sometime we one frying a chicken, fire to a bunny for inside a kitchen. But that way, if family member they go do investigation, they talk say that own fire no be been a simple fire. Say we go put your hand for some place because we want get money like uncle. So they give condition. It's a problem no day. It take all the condition. Now that Sunday one go put fire for fire. Fire do brrr, a bunny, burn same kitchen. But I don't know. I don't talk saying I say I put Jolina Jolie own. If it been a natural fire, so I talk now wait to family for that boy be talk am. That time for corner me, no be saying a different man be talk am. Now if family be talk am, saying that two way be do this, we go put hand for here. Now so the thing no go take it. But for Jolina Jolie own, if family never talk no nothing, no man never talk no nothing. So na fire, na gas, a born danga, sote, a kwara, countrywoman. Another Tory day. Una no Tory day. Now wait be the Tory na new pope. Abimus papam. This time no be na rising or no na begolio. Because black sumu be fair come out. People they say, where that means no. Oh, nine that white sumu come out yesterday. I will hear Abimus papam. And as Abimus papam enter, we see the new pope, the new Catholic pope. His name na Robert Francis Prevost. He be America where they born for Chicago, but he get a Peruvian background. Yes, he be the work for Peru. Na the coach where died, the pope where died. Sorry, where they call it say Pope Francis. Na he take he come for Rome. Na he that for 69 years. He be the first American citizen where he be pope. It be Bergoglio be been the first American, that means say Southern American citizen, because Argentina come out where be pope. So now American people don't get their own pope. He go turn around so he come for Africa. Now the question that we ask him. Because the way we look at him, European they don't already be pope. America don't be pope. South don't be pope. Sometimes we go reach, sometimes we go here, sometimes na Asian pope or na African pope. Africa go reach. People they ask the question. If you look at plenty people they don't vex. The vex they say now what it is. Why be say Africa no be pope? Oh, no be what concern. What concern for giving the information. I hope say now only Catholic they complain because we know the Catholic they complain so and then I don't know the reason why you complain. Then you need to just convert for go be Catholic one time. Countryman, countrywoman. Now so the thing there for the matter where reach for Pope is skin. Ndamba. Palawan Ndamba. We will start with the one. Fekafoot and Samuel Etofis, they don't win another process again against them. Kaji Sport Academy, we carry them, they go for court. For that side, for court for sport, for Lausanne, for Switzerland. He talk say they don't put them for division, regional division 2, because say they be the play and then they we get enough license them, they complain, Fekafoot and regional league for littoral, look into the matter. Kaji be organized last year for press conference for some hotel not far from this place. He talk for that press conference, say he subscribed for 48 license for a player, only 12 come out. And then it be difficult for you for the continue. So now the reason we be absent for match them because we get player the way they correct. Regional League Commission for Homologation and Discipline be sanctioned Kaji Sport Academy, carry them go down. Kaji for that press conference, we talk say, I go take the matter, go for court. And I know say I go win them. A lawyer they be talking to say they go win that case against Fekafoot, against Regional League for Littoral. Now then that they don't go for Lausanne. Pam, lawyer then they say, yes, my lord. Hey, when I go court now, then you will see the thing there, that's on concert, that means a spectacle. That's what they call it for France. Countryman. A turn. Now that bam on the 7th. Vex the common yesterday. We all man no see him. Fika Food don't win. Eto don't win Kaji Sport Academy. And then the sanction regional league. It be given for Kaji Sport Academy. It remain, it no change. What he change? Now say Kaji Sport Academy go pay 80% for the expenditure for the case where all expenditure where Fika Food don't spend 80% for the court case first. Fika Food go complete 20%. Again, it never finish. They sanction them, say they go more pay cash because that 80% are for court where they go pay directly. Fika Food no go pay. Fika Food give only 20%, they go give 80%. Now they carry Fika Food, but now they spend money. No. What happen again, countrywoman? Now say they will pay more than 2 million for Fika Food cash. You want a cash, mburu stickman cash, and then the sanction remain. Any other way they want to do about that matter, it be totally rejected. Now so the matter they countrywoman. Man no ya. Neither Fika Food writes on long letter. Inside the long letter where Fika Food write down, they try to explain what it take place and how the judgment go on. Explain how point by point, and then for the ending, people they not say they begin reason. And so around they say, but even as so, why they no be say they discuss with Kaji because na Kaji be train Eto, and then Eto no supposed to do so with Kaji because Kaji don't do so. If una say una want modernize something, una go for modernize them, and then make animal respect the rules. If some people in the way they know they respect the rules, damn say no one say make the thing go ahead. So na so I think and so it look like I say. It dey like I say, it go be like I say, the way the thing it look like I say, it be like I say, it be day. Now so countrywoman, it go pass. So Fika Food don't explain them, Kaji don't loss, and then all the other one them systematically when they don't court book for palaba for a toast to the car and go for court, they don't loss. They don't loss countrywoman. They lost case against you. Plenty case them where they lost them so against it. What did happen? It shows it sometime. Now because say wait, now because say they know they calculate and find. Now out of anger, where they continue to say, okay, we'll do so. You do the one, we'll do so. You do the one, we'll do so. Now that it don't happen, countrywoman. Ndamba. We will talk about Andre Onana. Oh na ye anini tarapango kongo ala danda dingala danda ala tête la tan oh na danda liye Andre Onana he go finals now for Europa League. He qualify. Bam, then he go final. Now so the team dey countrywoman. Onana na the number 3 time this where they go finals for competition the way it take place for Europe. 2017, he reached finals with the Ajax Amsterdam. For that final, he lost he be finalist. 2023, Onana reached for finals for Champions League with Inter de Milan. He lost the finals. Now Onana will go finals for Europa League again after 2017, 2025. If we look and find, he go like some 8 years now. He will go finals again. Hope say he go win that trophy for Europa League because he never get any of that major trophy them. He don't win trophy then only with club, but that major trophy them for Europe, Onana never win no one. So we wish he good luck. Say may win that trophy them. Now so it will take place and it will be a happy thing for you, for all family member them, and then for all supporter them because he get supporter them too. So for a career now number 3 time this where they reach for finals for Europa League and Champions League combined. Europa League, as I explained for now, 2017 with Ajax Amsterdam. Win. Champions League 2023 with Inter de Milan. Win now. 2025 it go now for finals again for Europa League. Now so it take place with Andre Onana. We continue with our Tori Day. What be the Tori way day now? Na palaba mutumbu with the artist wey dey sing. Charlotte the Panda, it be go live. He talk about it live. He talk about plenty thing them. And then people they be talking, oh, he don't chakara with Imasa. He don't chakara with Imasa. That's what they chin day. They don't already chakara. They don't work again. They don't work for that way. They not. People them to talk past place. Neither for that life. Imasa be dead. Masa talk say no one begin. Want time me they leave you. Want time me they talk about you because one day over showbiz matter. One day. Charlotte say you dey so you no get choice, so you no get choice. They must still talk about you because the matter way the matter day. That's what he did. So he talk he explain how he career, he show some of the picking them. People they see element confirm say confirmation de confirmer it take place. Now that it happens so. And then una dey know that matter Malox with Kosi and Malox. What happen between Kosi and Malox? Why did they go? They drag themselves for social media? Now the question we plenty people they want to know. And then some blogger where they call it say future. He say Malox they pretend say na he be king for the road. Say na he be gangster rapper. But he be very emotional. Any small thing they want tell he don't touch it. He don't touch it. He no get in the calm because when a gangster he need shake for anything. No that kind of thing they make it shake. He say he don't block it because he don't like the reaction them for a page. Na future the talk that one say he love na tyranny. He need one share. When he talk something, you want to talk against. Na mungurungwete, na problem, na wahala where the creator for you. Na so future he talk am. And then he get the other one when on TikTok where they call it say Celeste Victorian. Where I talk say, so you don't block me. It is talk na palabra Malox. Say you don't block me for Sika say a comment and a post. You don't block him. Na so he did. Countryman. You know why he that one. For the social media, you must get that thing they call us say kajo. If you no get kajo that way the thing they work a fine, you say go no say the matter strong pass castle countryman. If you strong, you strong. If you not strong, you not strong. Neither Malox he talks everything. He say Celeste Victorine. They tell me say you do wait say distract. You say you want make me for inside distraction for palabra Cosette and say you want record me for do it. Damn say na fear. That fear say that Celeste Victorine they want record something for put on social media so the man no want to na the reason why he run say the thing happen for the way the thing go happen for the way it happen. Then Malox he talk say I no want me. I don't want me to comment. I don't want people. I don't want to come for your live for TikTok. I don't want to do this because the way the matter they look like, it didn't say when I don't go join for put me trap. Okay, now so the thing happen, countryman, countrywoman.